Welcome to Fine Arts. Today we are going to make an abstract painting inspired by artist Frank Stella. So the first thing we're going to do is put our frame together. So you're going to get your glue and your glue brush. You're going to twist. You're going to take the top of your glue and you're going to take the lid off, put it upside down, and we're going to make a rectangle with our glue. We're going to go across, down, across, up. You don't need a lot of glue. Then we're going to take our white paper, turn it over, and try to center it on our frame paper. We're going to take our hands and we're going to push those air bubbles out. Push, push, push. Push them all the way out. Then we're going to flip our paper over and we're going to glue the artist information sheet on the back. So you flip over the artist information sheet and we do dot, dot, not a lot. 4 dots, 1 in each corner. We're going to glue that down. Then we're going to wipe off our glue brush. We're going to put away our glue. And we're going to take our glue brush and we're going to soak it in the hot tub. Then we're going to let this paper dry. And we're going to get a new piece of paper to make our Frank Stella abstract art. So we're going to get a white piece of paper. And this is what we're going to design. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. So with a new piece of white paper, you're going to take it and you're going to fold it in half. And you're going to push on the edge. So we took a 12 by 18 paper and folded it in half. Then we're going to open it up, take our scissors, and we're going to cut it in half. So now we have 2 pieces of paper that are 9 by 12. That's the size. Okay, then we're going to get our pencil. We're going to work with just 1 sheet of paper first. And we're going to actually make something that looks like this with 4 separate circles, and we're going to color those in. Okay, so let me show you. We're going to start with our large circle, and you're going to turn the plate upside down. It's easier if you have it upside down, and I would have a partner help you with this. So the partner can hold the circle, hold it for you, and you're going to trace all the way around. Again, you do need a partner for this. So there's the first circle. And that is the colored plate, the biggest one. Okay, now we're going to take the other plate, which is clear. We're going to turn it upside down, and you're going to try to center it around on the inside, holding that. Have one person hold it, and you're going to go, again, all the way around using a pencil. Okay. Then we're going to take our next circle, which is a basketball. And this one's made out of paper, so be careful with it. One person's going to hold it, the other person traces around. And if you don't get your circles perfect, don't worry about it. This is abstract art. And the last circle is a cardboard, a little small one, all the way around. Okay, so you have 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, what we just did on one piece of paper, you're going to do on another sheet of paper. So you have 2 different designs. So I have one done for us. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do after you have your circles traced on both of your pieces of paper, you're going to pick 4 colors. And today we're using tempera sticks. So this is paint in a stick, and you're going to just randomly pick a color, and you're going to pick 4 today, and it's kind of like chapstick or lipstick, and it's actually paint. And it helps if you turn it on its side, you twist it, and you're going to go around that circle. And the nice thing about this paint inside a stick is that it dries quickly within 2 minutes. And it's also very bright. And I want you to think about which colors look good together, or maybe what are your favorite 4 colors. So you're just going to choose 4 colors and you're going to color in 4 circles. And then when I'm done with it, you twist it and put the cap back on. And I'm thinking blue looks good next to orange, so I'm going to take the next one. Again, going all the way around. Now, this is paint, and so it actually, when you mix the colors, it mixes another color. So if you put a color down and you decide you don't like it, I'm going to be careful going around. Go nice and slow. If there's a color that you don't like, you can actually pick a different, you can actually paint on top of it. It's pretty amazing. And look how bright that is. So I'm done with my orange. Again, just pick 4 colors that you like. And go nice and slow. And today we are making abstract art, inspired by artist STELLA. And he's known for his circle collages, which is what we're making today. Okay, I like that yellow, my favorite color. And so orange and blue are complementary. That means they look good next to each other. And yellow and purple are complementary. Ooh, look at that purple. Looks more like a magenta. So you're going to go all the way around. And there's no wrong way to do this. Just go nice and slow. Now be careful not to smear it with your hand because it is paint, so it is kind of wet. But again, ooh, you can see that when it mixes over that yellow, it makes orange. How pretty is that? So we're going all the way to the pencil line. And it helps if you turn it on its side to get close to that edge. Take your time. I'm going kind of fast because I'm filming. Okay, now once you have one of your pieces of paper done with all 4 colors, you're going to put those 4 colors back and you're going to pick 4 different colors. So that when you're all done, you have both white pieces of paper with the circles filled in, okay? The next step, after they are all filled in, we're going to take our circle and we're going to cut it out. So we're just going to cut the outside edge. So we're cutting on the pencil mark. There we go. And we're going to put our trash in the trash can. Look, I'm a master cutter. I used only one piece of scraps. Okay, then you're going to cut your other one out. Now let me show you what you're going to do. You're going to take your circle and you're going to fold it in half like a taco. You're going to push, push, push. And we're going to cut this in half on the fold. It helps if you cut it on the back of it. You can see it better. So you're going to cut nice and slow. Cut it in half like you have 2 tacos or 2 halves, just like that. Okay, then you're going to take your taco and you're going to fold it in half again. Okay, and then I'm going to take that and I'm going to cut that in half. Looks like a slice of pie. So now we have that one cut in half. We're going to do the same thing over here. Fold it in half. And again, I'm cutting on the back. It's easier to cut on the back because you could see it. So now we have each piece is like 1/4 of the pie. Each piece is 1/4. Okay, so now you have 4 halves or 4 slices of pie. Now you're gonna do the same thing with your other sheet. Okay, you're gonna cut that out, and I already have that done. And let me show you. Now you're gonna pick, so I already have this one done just to show you. Okay, so this one I glued earlier because of time. Now, you have, you're gonna pick, once you have them all cut out, you're gonna pick 6 colors. So I have 4 glued down, but I'm gonna pick 2 more, and I'm gonna glue this down like this, okay? So we have 2 left over. We're gonna leave those. So to glue these on, we're gonna take our glue stick, and you're gonna turn your slice of pie over. Now watch how I do this. I'm gonna just put the glue on the outside edge. So you don't need it all over, just the outside edge. And then when I glue it down, I'm gonna try to make it so it's nice and straight. I'm gonna take my hands, I'm gonna push, 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 push pretty hard. And then also turn it over and push. And maybe count to 10 so that it sticks nice and well. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's number 6. Okay, so again, your glue goes on the outside edge of your slice of pie. Okay, and when you glue it, you're going to try to make it so it's nice and straight. Straight on there, okay? And then you're going to push down, and you're going to flip it over, and you're going to push on that again. Push, push, push. Okay, now, your 2 extra pieces, notice we have all those pieces. Your 2 extra pieces, you're going to take and you're going to put them, you're going to flip them around so you make a square. So you can either glue it on this one, you can glue it on any one you want. Ooh, I like it on the purple. I'm going to just check it. I like it on the purple. And which other one? Let's see. I'm going to flip it around. Ooh, I kind of like it there on the blue. That's nice. Okay, so again, if you do it like this, it's going to cover it up. So you're going to rotate it around, and you're going to glue 2 of them, the 2 extra pieces on top of the other. Okay, so you have a total of 6 pieces. We're going to put together our puzzle. And I twist it, make it so it's nice and straight. Okay, and then you're going to turn that over and push, push, push. Okay, then this one here, I liked it on the blue. We're going to take it, put the glue on the outside, and again, we're going to line it up so it makes a square. Just like that. Okay, now we have 6 total pieces. We're going to take our glue. We're going to put our glue away for now. So we just twist it, put the cap back on. Now, let me just show you. So here's what it looks like, okay? And here is our drawing guide about our abstract artist, Frank Stella. So the next step we're going to do, we're going to take these 4 pieces. It looks like a sideways rainbow, and we're going to actually cut around the edge. So making a curve. So there's 1. Go nice and slow using your very best cutting. 2. 3. 4. Okay. Then you're going to grab your frame that we put together at the beginning, and you're going to lay out your pieces. And to do this part, you might want to look at your drawing guide to help you. When I put my pieces together, notice that it made a circle here in the center, and then it was curved on the sides, curved on the sides. Now, if yours does not look like mine, I don't want you to worry, because I wanted to show you, I made this one and it didn't make a circle, and it is abstract art, and I think it's amazing. Okay, so first thing that you're going to do is kind of design your lay out your puzzle pieces thinking about which way do you like it. So let's see. Maybe we'll put this one here, this one here. We have to keep turning it actually. How do we make that? Oh, there it is. There's my circle. Keep turning it. And I'm going to have opposite colors. So again, you have to play around with it. There we go. I'm seeing it now. So you can see that it makes a circle. And then this is curved. And we're going to do another curve here. Okay, and we're going to line it up so it kind of hits the edge. Right there. And then this one, it curves the other way like this. Okay. And so there it is. And then you're just going to glue it down. And again, I would start maybe on the bottom right-hand side. So you're going to flip and you can change things around. Like if I wanted to put the yellow up here instead and the blue down here, you can play with it however you want. Again, I would look at your drawing guide to kind of help you. So, let's see, can you see this? Yeah. Okay, here's my drawing guide right here. Look at your drawing guide to help you. And you're going to just go around the outside edge. And if you need help with this part, please, please come see me. I would love to help you and show you how to put it together. So I'm just going to do one piece at a time. And I went to the edge. I left a little bit of white down there. And again, we are making a circle collage. I'm going to line that one up. Push, push, push. And then I lined this one up. There we go. Okay, and they don't line up exactly perfect, which is okay. So then, let's see, maybe I will see. You're going to glue the rest down, and that is for today's art project. I hope you had fun learning about Frank Stella. Until next time, bye everybody.